In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write a powerful speech. 2026 full guide. Before we type a single line, set the auditory baseline. Speech is live in the ear, not on the page. That means shorter sentences, clear rhythm, purposeful pauses, and strategic repetition. Left alone, the model tends to write long, polished paragraphs that sound like essays. So, give it guardrails from the start and insist on a spoken rhythmic register to match how people actually talk. Now open a fresh chat to clear any leftover context. Use Shift plus Enter to separate your background notes so they stay tidy. Then drop in this foundation prompt. Act as an elite speechwriter and communications strategist. I need to write an impactful insert duration speech on insert topic. Before generating any lines of the speech, ask me a series of 4 targeted questions one by one to extract my personal anecdotes, target audience profile, primary core message, and desired emotional outcome. Do not write the draft yet. Answer those questions with specifics. This builds a profile that anchors every decision that follows. Once your baseline is set, launch Canvas mode to move from chat to a focused writing workspace. Type Canvas, or say open a speech writing canvas. Based on the profile metrics we established, draft a high-impact, attention-grabbing opening hook. It must start with either an unexpected rhetorical question or a compelling 30-second personal story block. Keep the syntax short, punchy, and highly conversational. Your screen will split with the running chat on the left and your live editable speech document on the right. With text now on the canvas, refine it the way a speaker would. Highlight a line that feels stiff and click the Ask ChatGPT comment bubble. Try. Rewrite this specific line using the rule of 3, tricolon, to build rhythmic momentum. Ensure it builds toward a natural, hard pause. In the bottom right tool menu, use the sliders to resize sections for time or to shift reading level and tone. Slide toward professional and direct for a keynote. Slide toward warm and conversational for a toast. Next, bake in rhetorical devices and delivery cues. For repetition, say, rework the transition paragraph so the phrase, "this is our moment," repeats at the beginning of 3 consecutive short sentences. For performance markers, ask, go through the active canvas draft and insert bracketed stage directions like pause for 2 seconds, slow down delivery, or shift focus to left side of room. Before you lock it, test delivery. Switch to advanced voice mode, read the draft aloud, and ask the model to flag tongue twisters, awkward junctions, and rushed breathing, then suggest alternatives. If a change goes too far, open version history in the Canvas header, compare drafts side by side, and restore the one that works. To structure the arc, prompt for 3 pieces, opening hooks built from a surprising data point or humorous analogy, 2 or 3 body arguments in clean parallel sentences, and a closing that circles back to the opening and lands a clear call to action. That's the workflow. Start with spoken cadence. Build a canvas, refine inline, inject style and cues, verify in 1, and safeguard versions. Follow it and you'll craft speeches that audiences remember.